Have you ever wondered why our solar system with its 8 unique planets is the way it is? Our universe is an expansive canvas brimming with celestial bodies, and amidst this vast expanse lies our solar system, a tiny corner that we call home. It's a captivating realm, boasting a sun, 8 diverse planets, numerous moons, and a multitude of asteroids and comets, each with its own unique identity and purpose. Now let's break down this cosmic neighborhood of ours, starting with the 8 planets. These are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Each of these celestial bodies has a distinct personality, a unique blend of characteristics that sets it apart. They all orbit around the Sun, our system's star, bound by its gravitational pull, yet each follows its own path, its own orbit, contributing to the grand cosmic ballet that is our solar system. Mercury, the swift-footed messenger of the gods, is the smallest and closest to the Sun. Then comes Venus, the veiled beauty shrouded in thick clouds. Our home, Earth, the blue planet, teeming with life, is next. Mars, the red planet, a potential future home for humanity, follows. The gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, are the largest in our system, with Jupiter being the king of planets and Saturn famous for its stunning rings. Finally, the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune, wrap up the lineup, with Uranus tilted on its side and Neptune, the farthest from the Sun, being a frigid world of windy storms. These planets in their orbits create a harmonious symphony, a celestial song that resonates throughout the cosmos. Their differences make our solar system a fascinating place, a cosmic zoo of sorts, where each planet is a unique exhibit. So, can you name all 8 planets in our system in order of their proximity to the Sun? Go on, give it a try. Got them all? Great, let's dive deeper into the first planet. Which planet do you think is the closest to the Sun? That's right, it's Mercury. Mercury, the swift planet, is a fascinating world of extremes. Despite being the smallest planet in our solar system, Mercury certainly doesn't skimp on features. Its compact size, just over 1/3 of Earth's, makes it a petite powerhouse, zipping around the Sun faster than any other planet. Can you guess why that is? Mercury's incredibly fast orbit is nothing short of awe-inspiring. It takes a mere 88 Earth days for this speedster to complete one orbit around the Sun. That's right, while we on Earth are still slogging through winter, Mercury has already completed a full year. But it's not just speed that sets Mercury apart. It's a planet of temperature extremes, with a difference of up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit between its day and night temperatures. Imagine going from a scorching hot desert to a freezing cold tundra in a single day. This is due to Mercury's lack of an atmosphere to regulate temperature, combined with its proximity to the Sun. During the day, Mercury's surface is directly exposed to the Sun's intense heat. At night, without an atmosphere to trap the heat, temperatures plummet. Intriguing, isn't it? The swift Mercury, small in size but mighty in character, racing around the Sun in a world of scorching days and freezing nights. But why is it that Mercury orbits so quickly? Well, it's all about gravity. Mercury's close proximity to the Sun means it's caught in a stronger gravitational pull, which speeds up its orbit. Indeed, Mercury's quick orbit is a result of its proximity to the Sun. Now let's move on to our next planet. Did you know that Venus is often called Earth's twin, but why? Well, it's not hard to see why. Venus is roughly the same size as our home planet, and its composition is strikingly similar. But that's where the similarities end, and the differences begin to reveal themselves. Venus is swathed in a thick, toxic atmosphere, primarily composed of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid. It's not exactly a hospitable place for us Earthlings. But what's really striking about Venus is its temperature. It's the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the Sun. Can you guess why Venus is so hot? Well, the answer lies in its atmosphere. The dense carbon dioxide traps the Sun's heat, creating a severe greenhouse effect. This has caused the planet's surface temperature to soar to an average of 867 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than the surface of Mercury, despite being further from the Sun. This intense heat, combined with the crushing atmospheric pressure, which is 92 times that of Earth's, makes Venus a rather inhospitable place. Yet it's fascinating to study and compare to our own planet. That's correct, Venus's heat is due to its greenhouse effect. Let's head over to our home planet next. Earth, our home. But what makes it so special? Let's delve into the unique features that make Earth stand out in our solar system. One key aspect is the abundance of water. Earth is aptly referred to as the blue planet, due to the vast oceans that cover approximately 70% of its surface. This water is crucial for life as we know it, serving as the lifeblood for the planet's diverse ecosystems. Yet the marvels of Earth extend beyond its watery surface. Our planet is wrapped in a life-sustaining atmosphere, a blanket of gases that protects us from the harshness of space. This atmosphere regulates temperature, blocks harmful solar radiation, and provides the air we breathe. The rich blend of oxygen, nitrogen, and trace gases is unique to Earth, setting the stage for the complex life forms that inhabit it. Now let's ponder a thought. Why is Earth the only planet known to support life? Is it the perfect distance from the sun, giving us a climate that's just right? Is it the magnetic field that shields us from solar winds? Or perhaps it's the combination of all these factors. Indeed, it's our planet's perfect conditions for water that make life possible. Next, we're off to the red planet. We're off to the Mars, the red planet. But what gives Mars its red color? Well, the answer lies beneath our feet. Mars is often called the red planet because of its reddish appearance, which is due to iron oxide or rust on its surface. You see, Mars is incredibly rich in iron, and when this iron comes into contact with oxygen, it oxidizes and turns into rust. The dust and rocks on Mars's surface contain this rusted iron, which gives the planet its signature red hue. But Mars isn't just a pretty face, it's also home to some of the most impressive geological features in our solar system. Ever wondered about the tallest volcano on Mars? It's called Olympus Mons, and it stands a staggering 13 miles high. That's nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth. Olympus Mons is so tall, in fact, that it towers above the Martian dust storms, reaching into the thin Martian atmosphere. So Mars, a planet of red rust and towering volcanoes, truly is a world of wonders. From its iron-rich surface to its thin atmosphere, Mars continues to captivate and intrigue us. But there's so much more to explore in our solar system. Yes, Olympus Mons is the tallest volcano in the solar system. Let's journey onto the gas giants now. Scene script. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, but what makes it so large? Well, to put it into perspective, Jupiter is so big that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. That's right, 1,000 Earths. This colossal size is due to its composition. Unlike Earth, which is a rocky planet, Jupiter is a gas giant composed mostly of hydrogen and helium, the same elements that make up our Sun. But Jupiter isn't just famous for its size, it's also renowned for its many moons. You might be thinking of our own moon, a lonely celestial body orbiting Earth. But imagine a planet with a celestial entourage of not 1, not 2, but dozens of moons. Can you guess how many moons Jupiter has? The answer might surprise you. Jupiter has a whopping 79 moons. The 4 largest, known as the Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, are some of the most fascinating celestial bodies in our solar system. Ganymede, the largest of the lot, is even bigger than the planet Mercury. And then there's Jupiter's iconic Great Red Spot, a storm that's been raging for at least 300 years. This storm is so massive that 3 Earths could fit inside it. Just imagine a storm that could swallow our entire planet 3 times over. So Jupiter isn't just large in size, it's large in personality too. With its many moons and its iconic Great Red Spot, this gas giant is a standout in our solar system. It's a planet that invites exploration and sparks our curiosity. Indeed, Jupiter has a staggering 79 moons. Next, we're off to the ringed planet, Saturn, the jewel of our solar system. But what are its rings made of? This enchanting planet is surrounded by an intricate system of rings, making it one of the most visually striking objects in space. These rings aren't solid as they might appear from a distance. Instead, they're composed of countless individual particles, ranging in size from tiny grains of dust to massive chunks of ice, all orbiting Saturn in a harmonious dance. But Saturn isn't just a beautiful spectacle. It's also home to a plethora of moons, each with its own unique characteristics. In fact, Saturn has the second most moons of any planet in our solar system, with a current count of 82. Can you believe that? Now here's a question for you. Do you know how many rings Saturn has? Go on, take a guess. If you said 7, then you're absolutely right. Saturn has 7 distinct rings, each named after the letters of the alphabet from A to G. Each ring orbits at a different distance from the planet and is composed of different kinds of material, creating a stunning array of visual patterns. So there you have it. Saturn, with its complex system of 7 rings and its multitude of moons, is a testament to the incredible diversity and beauty of our solar system. Yes, Saturn has 7 distinct rings. Next up, we're heading to the ice giants. Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants, but why are they called that? This question might have been lingering in your mind for a while now. Let's unravel the mystery behind these fascinating celestial bodies. Unlike their gas giant counterparts, Jupiter and Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are known as ice giants. This isn't because they're made of ice in the way we understand it, but rather due to the fact that substantial amounts of water, ammonia and methane ices form part of their composition. These ices, combined with a higher proportion of rock, differentiate them from the gas giants. Moving on to their unique blue color, have you ever wondered what causes it? Uranus and Neptune are visually stunning with their beautiful hues of blue. Their color is not a mere coincidence or just for show, it's due to their unique atmospheric composition. Both these planets have atmospheres that are primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, with a smattering of methane. It's this methane that absorbs red light and reflects blue light, lending these planets their distinctive blue tint. Now, let's talk about their temperatures. These planets are incredibly cold, with Uranus having the coldest atmosphere of any planet in our solar system. The temperatures on these ice giants can plunge as low as -360 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than any winter you've ever experienced. So have you figured out what gives these planets their blue color? If you've been paying attention, you'll know that it's the methane in their atmospheres. Indeed, their color comes from the methane in their atmospheres. And with that, we've visited all the planets in our solar system. This exploration of our cosmic neighborhood has been quite the journey, hasn't it? Wow, what a journey it's been through our solar system. We've raced with Mercury, the swift planet, and peeked behind the veils of mysterious Venus. We've marveled at the familiar blues of our home, Earth, and explored the rugged red landscapes of Mars. Jupiter, the giant planet, showed us its grandeur, while Saturn, the ringed beauty, dazzled us with its icy allure. And let's not forget the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune, with their chilly mysteries yet to be uncovered. Each planet, a unique world with its own story to tell, contributes to the symphony of our solar system. And remember, this is just our local neighborhood in the vast cosmos. There's so much more out there waiting for us to discover, to understand, to marvel at. So let's not stop here. Let's keep our eyes on the stars, our minds open and our spirits full of that insatiable human curiosity. Remember, the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Until next time, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Stay curious and keep exploring.